Hello, children. This is the second part of The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov, 9th standard supplementary reader. And in the last video, we saw that this story depicts the life of the children 2157 in the year 2157. So here we come across a character called Margie. She contempts school. How is a school? A mission. It is a mission, right? So she hates school. Tommy, 2 year elder to Margie, gave a book to Margie, right? And so we shall continue here. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So that mission was under repair. County inspector, so this is the man, county inspector, he came and he repaired this mission. That is Margie's teacher, right? The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." So Mrs. Jones is Margie's mom. So there is nothing wrong with the girl, only the mission is under repair. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quickly. So mission ran too quickly. So only the fault was there. Now the inspector, he said all right. And those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. So the progress of Margie was quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping that they would take the teacher away altogether. She thought the mission is under repair, so they will take the teacher away. This mission is the teacher of Margie. So she thought the county inspector would take this mission away so that she can be free for some more days. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So once Tommy's teacher was under repair and the county inspector took it for nearly 1 month. Like that, she also thought now the county inspector will take the teacher away and she can be free. But unfortunately, immediately he repaired the teacher, the mission. So she said to Tom, "Why would anyone write about school?" So she's asking, what is that about school? I told you, children, the Tommy found a book. The book was about school. That's why again she's asking, why would anyone write about school? What is there to write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. So it is not our kind of school. In the previous days, they enjoyed in different way. As we have now. Okay, understood, children? As we have school now, that is the thing the grandfather of Margie written in the diary. Okay, and this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. 2157 means hundreds years ago means the life which we are living. We have school, separate building. We all come together. We gather there. We have separate classes for each and every age, right? So that only he is mentioning. This is the old kind of school that hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He had it loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Loftily, in a proud manner, he is telling centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school that they had all that time ago. So she doesn't know what kind of school it was. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." So they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a human. Tommy is telling. It was a human. It was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher means as they are having the mission now, it is not a teacher that, it is a human. A human? How could a human be a teacher? She's asking. Margie is surprised. How could human be a teacher? Well, she told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So, how we teachers ask you questions, conduct test, give homework like that. That only Tommy is mentioning. A human isn't smart enough, she's telling. Margie is telling. Human will not be smart enough as mission. Sure one is, Tommy is telling. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that, so she is not ready to fight about this. Dispute means fight. She said, I wouldn't want a stranger in my house to teach me. So I don't want any stranger to come to my house and teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter, so he's laughing. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They won't come to the house. They had a special building. So that special building is called what, children? School, right? And all the kids went there. So as we all go to school, that is the thing Tommy is mentioning here. And all the kids learned the same thing. And all the kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. So this question is asked by Margie. So answer was given by Tommy. Sure, if they were the same age. Same age means same age, same classroom. Okay, same standard. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So each and every children, they vary, okay, in their capacity, right? So according to them, a teacher should teach. This the mother used to say. Just the same, they didn't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So if you don't like the book, you don't need to read the book. If I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. So she's telling, I didn't say that I don't like. She wanted to read about those funny books, funny schools. So she wanted to read about the funny schools. Funny schools, the schools which we are learning now, studying now. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. So mom is calling, school is started. School has started. Margie looked up, not at mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So for Tommy and Margie, the time for school. It was time for school. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So after school, shall we read this book? Maybe, said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly, in a calm way, he's telling. Okay. We walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So tucked beneath his arm means he's keeping the book under the arm. Okay. And the screen was lit up and it said, today's, so yeah. Margie went into the schoolroom. Schoolroom, in her house itself, there is a room that is for, that is considered as school for Margie. Now also children, what we are doing, online classes, we come and sit in a separate room. Okay, like that only. 2157, Margie had as a school, that is the room. It is called a schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on the waiting for her. So mechanical teacher, this mission is waiting for Margie. It was always on that the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday holiday. So other days and all she had class. And because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. So regular hours, correct time, if you learn, the girl will be smart. Okay, if she is a good girl, she will learn in correct time, right? And the screen was lit up though, so light came the screen, line came on the screen, and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So the mission is talking, and it's asking to insert the homework in the slots. So you can see the places here, slots are here. Homework, it is asking to submit the homework. Okay, and yes, Margie did So with a sigh means what? Perumuchudra. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she is going and submitting. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Grandfather's grandfather means what? We people. Okay, all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So we have school garden, right? Ground we all go there, we laugh, we shout, we enjoy going home together at the end of the school. We also at the end of the school we come together with our friends, right? They learn the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So you people also share your homeworks with your friends, you ask doubt, yes, you clarify your doubt with your friends, right? Like that. And now this picture, teacher is here and Margie is imagining the school. See, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions half and 1/4, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So she is imagining the school which we are enjoying now. But for the past 1.5 years, we are missing our school, right, children? So she is imagining that and how the children had fun once, right? So this is the story, and hope the same thing, the same situation we also undergoing as Margie. So we are longing for our school days again. Hope we all meet soon, children. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the story.